Well, here it is on my day off, working on my van, my mobile detailing van. It's a van I bought about a year ago. It was wrecked in the front. So I'm finally having a chance to get to it. Here goes some of the stuff. That's the upper and lower fan shroud. It's all broken up. I need a headlight. I need a front bumper, the grill. Now that I went on the inside, I need a fan. I also needed a radiator. The radiator is leaking, but I have the radiator over there. So it's just a few more parts. Oh yeah, from the accident, this got bent up. The impact from the bumper, I need one of those. Other than that, if I had everything, it could be up and going. Clean little van, runs good. Runs real good. Interior not that bad. Nice little seats. Headline is still good. Got a cage in it, but I need the door. Crank out windows, but it's all good though. So I'm just getting it in right now. When I get it done, get it up and going, I'm gonna need some support from the black community, from all my friends. You know, I'm gonna be out here washing them cars, so you guys gonna have to hit me up. Come detail your car, wash it up, get it nice and clean, you know. I'm thinking about my name is gonna be Dirty Dicks Detailing. Y'all let me know about that name. Sounds catchy to me. Write something in the comment box about that name. Let me know if I should use it or not. I'm gonna leave it up to my friends. All right. I'll hit you with another video once I'm finished, or just even when I get the radiator in and let it start up and run. Later.